one's really fast. Oh my. Yo.
Oh my God.
It's coming. Ow, tough.
Hey, good thing it's black.
Hands are not dirty.
Can I go now? How come we started here when I'm tripping?
No, don't smell. No.
Guys, it's still growing.
This is about to be the best one, bro.
It might.
Okay. All right.
Look, it's
It's wonderful. You guys, this is the longest. Look at how long they erupt for. All right, ready? Adonis, you're next. Take the time.
I'm probably gonna put everybody's names in it though.
All right, ready?
God!
Be careful.
What'd I do?
Here we go. This thing is about to blow up, bro.
I should have
Hey,
thought.
watch out, your phone's right there. It might fall this way.
Yeah, thank
I
you,
got you,
Cameron.
I
That's
got
brilliant.
Oh no!
Vicky's behind. Or did that. Slow down.
It about to go kablooey. Kablooey! Kablooey! That's the best show ever, bro. Kablooey.
Did you put that? Yeah, put the baking soda in. You know.
Well, that's gonna be a really long one. I still got
Are we having fun yet?
That was a lots of fun.
All right. You know what's amazing? That's not us, but we gotta keep going. Who's this one? Zane, Blair. Ready, let's go.
Let's get it.
Let's get her done, boys.
Let this
You can take this home
Let's this party started.
at 1:30.
Let's this party started.
Hey, go ahead.
Oh my!
God damn!
Why so soon?
Why is it so white?
Yeah.
I thought it was supposed to be
How
yellow.
much soap did you put in, my dear? Oh, now the truth comes out.
Bro, they bit off. Look at the soap. Yo. Now it's actually on, so that's weak, Riley.
And you don't
Oh! Hey, you want my phone real quick?
Because I've never
Alright, Jackson's not recording.
It's been recorded.
That's a good thing. They're thinking.
God knows where that cap went.
Are you ready, ladies? We have a mile play. All right, here we go.
I need someone to record me. You want to record it? Come here. Oh, you're going to record it and send it to me?
What happened to the other one? Oh my God!
Did both of them do?
It looks like SpongeBob and Patrick.
I love it. You need someone to help you.
Yeah, I got Jackson. I got Jackson.
I gotta pray, bro. I gotta pray.
I need one more person to help me. I already
Excuse me.
I prayed to God.
Four, it's three of us.
Can I get the chair out of the way?
I just prayed to God, bro.
I got this one. I got this.
I'm gonna do this one.
All right.
Wait a minute.
All right.
No, not yet. You gotta wait for John to record.
3, 2, 1.
It's all over the table.
Oh! Red, white, and blue.
Yes, but I don't want it. I like to
It's on the floor.
It's okay.
No. Yummy.
Jacob, all of them were different colors. They look like ice cream.
Same, bro. It reminds me of an American flag. I don't know why.
Ready?
Alright. Somebody, hold the phone.
What do we do over here with this?
Wait, hang on.
Oh,
Hold the
Riley.
phone.
What?
Riley, you got it?
Ready? Riley, it's your turn.
Alright.
Here we go.
Ours is still jelly.
Hey guys, we still have eruptions going
Oh,
on.
I can feel it, bro.
Holy blue, it's about to go.
Ready?
I can feel it.
I feel it rumbling.
Oh my gosh.
And did it
Just
fail?
wait. Oh, that's sweet.
That's a good lava color.
That's really pretty.
I like the color.
Yeah, that reminds me of that orange chicken.
Pink is better. Pink is better.
You think pink is better?
Oh, it's still going.
Have you ever in your life?
Yes! Eureka! I am funny! Yeah. What? I'm gonna do theirs and then I'm gonna post.
Oh, so I can take a picture. Come on. Bro, pose.
Oh, alright. What those? Yeah, no.
Oh my God!
It looks plastic.
It looks like plastic.
That reminds you of that orange ice cream, bro.
That is It's really good.
That is orange shake. Oh.
Wasn't it the first one we did? That was the first one we did.
But it didn't, oh, they didn't get a recording of it. You're right, I'm wrong.
Thank you.
Ready? Jason? Come on. Redo! And
Alexander.
we gotta get her set up.
Redo.
Redo! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, paper towel on the floor. Please start cleaning.
Alright, I'm a